So if there is a problem, if there is a trouble over there, that trouble or pathogen will be dealt by our innate immune system as well as with our adaptive immune system. So John, Betty, and Matt, all of them, all of us, we are supposed to have a similar sort of genes which are responsible to fight against the commonly existing pathogens out there. So our receptors are quite similar. Can you see? We have a quite similar patterns of receptors to fight against the trouble. But John, Betty, Matt, and Catherine, they have different experience about the pathogen. They are living in different places. They are eating at different places. You are eating at drinking different type of water. I am eating a different type of water. So we have came across different types of viruses which are new. So our adaptive immune system is developed or grown in a different way. So there might be a virus or pathogen which I came across and I tried to learn about it and it produced a weapon. This is a thing which is present in my body. That information is present in my adaptive immune system. But you never came across that pathogen. That is why you don't have that answer in your body. What about the other person? So you can see a different type of information or responses or a different type of weapons the adaptive immune system is creating in these different type of people. So we are different based on our immunological memory or based on our experience with different types of pathogens. ये बड़ी मजे की बात है, इसको out of the box लेके जाऊं. इसका मतलब है this information, if we able to extract and get that information, this information will tell us कि मैं अपनी जिंदगी में किस किस्म के pathogens और viruses के साथ interact कर चुका हूं. That will explain that how much different type of pathogens I came across during my life. Because the information will, adaptive immune system information is different from the other person. The other person might came across the same type of problem, but it came across a different types of even with the same type of pathogens, the responses might be different. So we are different not only based on DNA, but we are different based on our adaptive immune system patterns, because we fought the same virus in a different way and we came across different viruses as well in our lifetimes. ये exactly वही वजह है कि when two people got infected from the same thing, they try to eat at one place, they ate at one place, and they go home. One of the person is saying, "Oh, मेरा पेट खराब हो गया. I got infected because of the food." The other person is saying, "मैं तो ठीक हूँ." The difference, the reason lives in the difference, and the reason lives in that particular adaptive immune system information. One of the person already received that virus or pathogen earlier and they able to generate appropriate responses already. So they can able to fight the problem very easily. But you, the other person who got sick, he never came across that trouble. That is how we can explain that thing. If we are living with a certain type of viruses and pathogens, like in Pakistan, we used to have a certain combination of pathogens. In Lahore, we have a different. In Karachi, we have a different. In Europe, there are different type of viruses and pathogens they are living with. Whether they are strong or weak does not matter. But we never came across those pathogens and viruses in our lifetime. I'm not talking about which one is stronger, which one is bad. When those people came to our country, our family, mein, friends, mein, and they visit our country, for the very first thing they complain, that is about they got sick because of the food, because of the water. They are very sensitive. और हम उनका बड़ा शुगर लगाते हैं. They are very sensitive about water. हम कहते हैं इनमें बड़ा नखरा है, बाहर के मुल्क से आए हैं. Because they were living with a different combination of viruses, their adaptive immune system never met with the viruses we are living with. तो हम कहते हैं यार हम भी तो ठीक है, हमने भी तो यही पानी पिया है, यही वाला पानी पिया है, हमें शोके हो रहे हैं. ये वाला पानी पी के हमारे हैं. Because whatever that thing present in our world, we commonly faced all those troubles and we can live with them. It is not possible for them to stay without disease. That is the thing which we need to understand for them. Thoda sa show some mercy to them at that time. Okay? जी शाबाश. शाबाश. नाम बताओ. मैं अरसलान ने सवाल किया है. ये जो मैं आपका सवाल रिपीट करता हूँ और जो मैं नाम लेता हूँ, मैं बड़ा स्मार्ट हूँ. ओके, Don't worry. Okay, the lecture is recorded. I will going to use it as a class contribution later on. Okay. And also क्या बोलते हैं उसको online students भी आपका सवाल सुन ले if it is good enough question क्या. The question is that innate immune system, the information of innate immune system is present and hardwired within our genome. We all having. How about whatever the things we are learning, इस information को store कैसे करते हैं? Actually, I did not explain all the factors involved in immune system yet. I told you when adaptive immune system proceed, it will produce T cells, it will produce beta cells, and then I need to tell you further in the upcoming days that they produce the memory cells as well. They produce what? Those memory cells create immunological memory of every person. Shabash. Very good. If we take that memory cell from one person and we try to implant or inject those memory cells to the other person should be able to fight that trouble. Generally speaking, yes, it can work. Plasma therapy सुनी है COVID-19 उनमें यही कर रहे होते हैं. Antibody और ये 3 cells जो immune cells हैं वही कर रहे होते हैं. They are trying to use a person already fought against the COVID-19. That person is carrying the antibodies, as well as the person is carrying some memory cells as well. How about putting the plasma of that person to that infected person? ठीक है? That's cool. अगर आपने you got the thing. Right. शाबाश. नाम रोहा ने सवाल पूछना हमसे. जी पूछे. How long the memory cells survive in our body? It survive in our lifetime. हाँ, जो एक जिंदगी के लिए काफी है. एक lifetime में the memory cells survive in our body. So if a person got infected, for example, poliovirus किस में करते हैं? A kid who is less than 5 years old, हम उसको hampered या उसको टूटा-फूटा सा poliovirus देते हैं. So that he feel infected. हम उसको solution नहीं देते. You know, हम उसे solution. We giving the boy or a kid a trouble. टूटा-फूटा सा virus देते हैं उसको. The body started feeling, oh, the virus is there. What will happen? They will start activating the adaptive immune system. T cells, beta cells, antibodies. T cells will going to produce the memory cells. Beta cells will going to produce the memory cells. क्या trouble real थी? The answer is no. It's a mock. But because of that entry, the boy started producing the memory cells and the other things that will stay inside the body of that kid for the rest of its life. तो अब अगर आ जाएगा 10 साल की उम्र में, 7 साल की उम्र में, the virus is there, the person's body will able to fight against that thing. It's not giving them the solution. It's just triggering the immune system to produce the solution. And of course, most of the time, if we are evolved enough, our immune system is evolved enough, our nervous system is evolved enough, we usually fight against that virus comfortably. But at the level of 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, it's difficult. It can irreversibly damage our nervous system. So at that time, it is important that kid to get vaccinated. That's exactly we want to do with the course SARS-CoV-2 as well. Okay, coming back. Shabash. Naam. Shabash. Thank you very much. दोबारा पूछना. ग्रुप में उसने नाम नहीं बताया. काशिफ ने पूछा ऑनलाइन. काशिफ, थैंक यू वेरी मच. आपका सवाल आ गया. जी पूछे. Yeah, the answer is yes. Yes. When we donate blood to the other person, we make sure that the recipient should not consider the receiving things as a bad thing, as a non-self thing. तो हम जब blood donate करते हैं, plasma donate करते हैं, we make sure कि वो उनकी grouping match करती हो, so the body can accommodate and accept those cells as self. The point is very valid, and that is why if a O negative or a B negative person is going to donate its plasma to the person who is positive, that will be a trouble. वो नहीं होएगा. तो we need to make sure कि वो self consider करे. और बहुत सारे लोग जिनमें plasma therapy काम नहीं करती, वो इसीलिए नहीं करती that the recipient body started feeling कि यार ये कौन से सेल आ गए हैं, ये कहाँ से आ गए हैं, ये कौन है. They started fighting against them as well. So you need, जैसे kidney transplant करते हैं, you need to make sure that the recipient body is able to accept the things. हम ये पता कैसे मुमकिन बनाते हैं? हम recipient body के immune system को compromise कर देते हैं. हम उसके immune system को सुला देते हैं, हल्का सा नशे का टीका लगा देते हैं ताकि थोड़ी देर के लिए वो accommodate कर दे whatever the things are coming. Transplantation में भी ऐसे करते हैं और बाकी जगहों पे ऐसे. Okay, so let's conclude the complicated thing in an easier way. Comparison between that how we can compare the innate immune system with the adaptive immune system. It's like if somebody wants to go, this person, whatever that Newton, then he wants to have a breakfast in a restaurant. It is like that. So the name is Fred's Innate Diner Receptor Menu. It's a diner receptor menu. So what you need to eat from here at the breakfast, you will have a toast. At the lunch, you have a cheeseburger. In the dinner, you have a fried chicken and no side dishes, no substitutions, no supply, nothing else. This is something which you have at 3 times. This is like an innate immune system. This is more or less like you don't have a choice. These are the things you have to eat it. These are the solutions we are having it. You have to use it. जी. Hostel mess. Hostel के खाने की मैंने बहुत तरीके सुनी है. I'm sorry about that. You are not supposed. अगर आप immune system को अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे ना, you started understanding how bad you are using the things you are अल्लाह ताला ने आपको दी. Immune system, ये body structure आपको दिया. Why you are putting that body structure in that much trouble? लोगों को लगता है, कुछ लोग believe करते हैं, हम बुरी हालत में रहेंगे ना, contaminated food में, environment में रहेंगे, our immune system will be more learned. The thing is, you're consuming. It's a hell of energy we need to consume in order to fight against a virus. How about staying away from that trouble? So that you can save that resources for the rest of your lives. Why the people who are living in a much better hygienic and cleaner conditions, they are living longer than us. हमारे यहाँ 60 के बाद बस बोनस ही है यार, अल्लाह ताला जिंदगी दे दे, इससे आगे बढ़े. 60, 65, 70, that what we are having in Pakistan. People in Japan, in South Korea, they're living more than 100 years on average, almost 100 years life. Why? They are not consumed their immune system in the first part of their life, because they don't allow their body and their immune system to get infected with the things we used to infect on every day. But maybe यही वजह हो कि हमने इतने आराम से कोविड का मुकाबला कर लिया है. I don't know. But what about, and look at the pets genes adoptive diner receptor menu. That actually happens in case of the adaptive immune system. That we have different combination of things available in column A, we have different combination of things available in column B, and then we have a different combination of things in column C. We will talk to the hostel people to give us a combination of things so we can pick one of them for us. And I'm very happy and proud for at least for the courses in our university, that you do have a choice in order to pick the things from this column and this column and this column. It is something like that. From the column A, you can pick the egg and other things. From the column B, you can pick one of the dish from there, and then you can make your own food options, food plate. And that is wonderful in case of that. That is why you're able to experience a lot of different type of combinations that an adaptive immune system can do for you. Okay, so let's move further to the other things. I will going to put that slide as well on the portal, because like the lectures were already there, and then we will talk about the immunological concept of self and the non-self. We have already talked it about in our earlier lecture. I will not going to spend much time on this, but I want you to understand how our immune system is able to figure out, to sense and to think that this thing belongs to us and this thing does not belong to us. There are many ways our immune system is doing that thing. The first of the way is that it can recognize the self. Somehow we know what belongs to us. This is one of the way. Somehow somebody told us, we will understand, we will try to see. Yeah. Somebody at some part of our development, when we grow for the very first time, when we develop our things for the very first time, somebody told us at a cellular level, this thing belongs to us. The heart belongs to us. The lungs belong to us. This lung belongs, this heart belongs to us. Not the other heart belong to us. वो immunologically non-self है. चाहे वो emotionally self हो. That is immunologically non-self. One way of knowing the thing is to recognize the thing. It belongs to you. The second way of understanding that concept is to recognize the absence of the self. It's the same thing, but a little bit different in meaning. If a self is not there, our immune system will consider it as a non-self. Absence of self. And the last thing is very important, to recognize the bad thing, to recognize the non-self. Something which does not. So knowing about the things you have belongs to you. Knowing about the things which does not belong to you, do not belong to you. Knowing about those things. And the intermediate stuff is feeling the presence and absence of self and the non-self things. If the self is not there, it will automatically considered as the non-self. So that is how we will understand. A difficult thing is that, which we might understand in our last session, that at what stage of our development as a person, as a human being, we were taught about ourselves that these things belongs to us. किसी ना किसी ने immune system को बताया कि the cells which you are looking at, the blood cells which you are looking at, the organs which you are moving in, they belongs to me, belongs to us. It happens at the very first time when we develop in the womb of our mothers. At that time, that was the time when our immune system got trained, and it was trained and जैसे सबसे मिलाते नहीं किसी को, मैं डिटेल्स नहीं बता रहा अभी, इनिशियल लेक्चर्स हैं, सबसे मिलाते नहीं है, ये तेरा मामा है, ये तेरा चाचा है, ये तेरा ताया है, इसको कुछ नहीं कहना, कम से कम मुंह पे नहीं कहना, इससे अच्छे से बात करनी है, इसको ऐसे बात करनी है, you know, they started introducing you for as being a kid, इसकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी है, ऐसे मैं भी डरता हूँ, इससे बात करनी है, ये वो है. So the immune cells, they were allowed to see all of those cells in the first appearance. ये अपना है, देखो ये मेरा अपना है, epithelial cells, look at that, this belongs to us. खबरदार इससे कोई बदतमीजी की, खबरदार इसके खिलाफ कोई रिएक्शन किया, dendritic cells को खबरदार इसे हाथ नहीं लगाना, this belongs to us. This is such a critical and important and sensitive activity to be performed by the immune system. क्योंकि अगर ये वाली एक्टिविटी अच्छे से नहीं होती है, that means we have an immune system which not able to distinguish between the self and the non-self. हमें बहुत अच्छे से immune system को distinguish करना. वो जो autoimmune disease होती है, उन allergic reactions होते हैं, those things, खास तौर पर autoimmune disease, those things, the troubles and complications are because of our inability to distinguish between the self and the non-self. Imagine a person receives, अल्लाह ना करे, उसे कांटा लग जाता है, एक कांटा दूसरी तरफ भी लगता है, कांटा लगा, एक गाना था बड़ा फेमस, कांटा लग जाता है पाँव में, आप जितनी मर्जी दवाइयां खा लें, no matter how much medication you can try to fix that कांटा, it will only be fixed if you remove it from the body. You know, your body started sensing it's a new thing. Oh, ये तो मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं, ये cells के जीवो-गरीब हालत है. They start fighting with that wood structure, with that कांटा, with that thorn. So start fighting, kept on fighting. अब देखेंगे, you will start looking at, पस पड़ जाती है, they are the dead bodies of the immune cells. Your immune fighters, they're trying to kill that thing, and in that battle, swelling हो जाती है. That means lot of immune activity is going on at that place. But they will not stop fighting. They will kept on fighting because they just thought something new, something bad, until unless you remove that thing. वो जो amputations करते हैं बहुत सारी, खुदा ना खास्ता organs की या बाकी जो, वो भी इसी वजह से करते हैं. They just, because their immune system will be diverted and start fighting with that your own self as a bad thing. Allah na करे, it's quite complicated to imagine or to. When the person got diabetes, extreme stages में, you see कि उनके limbs होते हैं, tips of the limbs होते हैं, they started because of the absence or limitation or depleted amount of nutrients, वो cells मर जाते हैं. When the cells are dead at that part of the body, your immune system will start fighting against them to get rid of them, and the problem persists and survive. In order to help your body, you need to remove or amputate that organ or limb. It's very, very painful type of reality. But that is, we can't stop. Immune system both cheat hota hai. They kept on fighting, and it consumes a hell of resources. If अगर आप मुझसे पूछेंगे कि यार मैं चल रहा हूँ, फिर रहा हूँ, खा रहा हूँ, पी रहा हूँ, बातें कर रहा हूँ, and I'm receiving a lot of pathogens at that time as well. My immune system is already very busy in keeping. जब आप healthy हैं, है ना? As long as you are healthy, you should thankful that you are winning all the battles which are going on. और हम उसको इतना granted लेते हैं, we don't care, and we try to, यार मैं ठीक हूँ यार, मैंने कल खाया था, मैं तो ठीक हूँ. So मैं ये गंदबला खा के ठीक रहता हूँ. Your immune system is struggling and fighting to keep and to help you to stay healthy. That's the thing which you need to understand. If you want to live longer or live healthier, or I believe, what you need to do, you need to help your immune system not to involve in unnecessary battles because of your actions, because of your choice. If you can put some effort to put clean drinking water into your body, just make that effort. हो जाएगा गुजारा, कोई बात नहीं यार. वो गुजारा होने के चक्कर में they consume lot of resources. So, and it is very expensive. You can ask me why we have to put that much resources on the disposal of immune system. 100 bacteria came to our body today. We have to produce 100 different responses. After that proliferation, cell numbers are increased, cell division required energy, differentiation required energy, and we have to put a lot of energy resources in order to keep that thing going. And after that, what will happen? We need to reverse all these things. Jitne bhi extra faltu cells bane, hum un sabko delete kar dete hain, hum un sabko maar dete hain, khatam. We need to go back to the normal as well. And we are doing this cycle again and again. Why it is so much important? Because it is related to the very much survival of our body. Not our body and our cells, for our species. आपने जितने भी डूम्सडे सिनेरियो सुने हैं, कितने सुने हैं? कितने डूम्सडे सिनेरियो सुने हैं? कैसे दुनिया खत्म होएगी? शाबाश सर जी, मेरी दुनिया तो खत्म होगी, उसने मुझे छोड़ दिया. एक तो ये भी होता है ना, मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया, मेरी दुनिया तो उस दिन की खत्म है, छोड़े दफा करें. दुनिया कैसे खत्म होगी? वर्ल्ड, दुनिया कैसे खत्म होगी? आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में सुना होगा बेशुमार डूम्सडे सिनेरियो. वो होनी है. कोई ज़हन में क्या आइडिया आ रहा है? दुनिया कैसे खत्म होगी? इमरान खान 5 लाख घर बना देगा. शाबाश, that's what I want to listen. One student said climatic change की वजह से होगा, और ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो गई और उसकी वजह से दुनिया खत्म हो सकती है. गुड पॉइंट. शायद एस्ट्रॉइड हिट करेगा जमीन के ऊपर. शाबाश. कल मैंने बच्चों के लिए वीडियो बनाई है, कमेंट्स. एस्ट्रॉइड हिट करेगा. हाँ, हरिकेन सुनामी कैन किल द कहते हैं प्लैनेट अर्थ, लाइफ खत्म. एस्ट्रॉइड हिट हुआ है. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, आइस एज हमने फेस कर ली हुई है. दोनों जवाब आ गए. तीसरा क्या था? ये जो नेचुरल कैलामिटीज होती हैं, हमने ये भी बड़ी बड़ी फेस की. तो वी समहाउ सर्वाइव इन दीज थिंग्स. हाँ, कोई एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी एस्ट्रॉइड आ जाए बड़ा तो कोई पता नहीं. जी हाँ, आपका नाम क्या है? लाइबा. सॉरी, मैं भूल जाता हूँ थोड़ा सा. नाइबा ने कहा कि जिस तरह पैंडेमिक है, कोई बायोलॉजिकल ट्रबल जो है वो जिंदगी खत्म कर सकती है, न्यूक्लियर वॉर्स खत्म कर सकती है जिंदगी. लेकिन उन सब में सबसे ज्यादा जो मोस्ट एमिनेंट और डूएबल है ना, जिससे हो सकता है, वो ये बायोलॉजिकल ट्रबल है. यू हैव ए बैक्टीरिया, यू हैव ए पैथोजन जिसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है आपके पास. यू हैव ए पैथोजन जिसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है. योर अडॉप्टिव इम्यून सिस्टम डोंट हैव आंसर ऑफ दैट पैथोजन. फिनिश. इफ इट इज लीथल इनफ, वो तो शुक्र है कि कोविड-19 लीथल इनफ नहीं है. मैंने इवन इफ ऑल गॉट इन्फेक्टेड, इस वक्त दुनिया का जो डेटा है 4-5 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोग, ऑलमोस्ट 5 करोड़ लोग इन्फेक्ट हुए हैं. 3% लोगों की डेथ हुई है. बट थिंक अबाउट 3% इन पाकिस्तान. कितने बनते हैं? सुबह घुमा दे अपने मैथ की घड़ी. पाकिस्तान के 3% कितने बनते हैं? हैं? चलो हम समझते हैं पाकिस्तान की आबादी 20 करोड़ है. आसानी के लिए जरबे देने में आसानी हो जाए. कितने लाइक्स में होंगे? जस्ट 20%. सॉरी 3%. 20% का 1% कितना हुआ? जैसे 10% का 1% 10 होता है ना. नहीं, सॉरी, मेरा अपना मैथ सही नहीं है यार. That will going to be in millions, I can tell you. लाखों में होंगे लोग. लाखों deaths extra is unacceptable to imagine. So it is not I mean a thing to digest very. दुनिया इसलिए इतनी sensitive है इसके बारे में. I mean because they, उनको जो fear है, जो intellectual fear है, साइंसी तौर पर समझ है उनको. Intellectual fear यही है कि if we not able to find a solution for that thing, it will keep circulating again, and we have to live with that thing for the rest of our generations until unless we find a cure. And it is very weird कि हम इसका वैक्सीनेशन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. हमने एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट किया था, चला था, मैं इस पे बात करूंगा. ऑक्सफोर्ड वालों ने इसको लीड किया वैक्सीनेशन का, लेकिन उसके रिजल्ट अच्छे नहीं आए. इट्स लाइक कि हमने बना तो लिया बट इट नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क वेरी मच इन अ वे वी यूज्ड टू. हम जैसे पोलियो वैक्सीन के हवाले से कहते हैं ना कि ये काम करेगी जो मर्जी कर लो, उसके बारे में हम नहीं कह सकते. हाँ, बट इट वाज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड साइंटिफिकली. वो रशियंस, वो पुतिन जरा हीरो है, हीरो तबीयत का आदमी है. उसका दिल करता है कि मैं वॉर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स देखी है जिसमें बड़ा हैंडसम हीरो होता है, वो सोल्यूशन लेके आता जाके कि ये ज़ूमी बनाने की का सोल्यूशन है, इसे ज़ूमी नहीं बनेंगे. Anyways, let me conclude before you are dead. So let me compare the difference that how innate and adaptive immune system when they work, what is the timeline of their responses. You will know कि कैसे इन दोनों में फर्क पड़ता है. Look at the slide from this side. This is the innate immune system. So the color, the purple means the innate immune system. When the innate immune system respond to a trouble, when a person receive a bad thing, an innate immune system respond to that bad thing, that will going to take a certain period of time. Let's suppose it's like a 10 hours. For the next time, it will going to take the same time. Again, it will going to take the same time. The innate immune system will going to take the same time. It will going to take the same time again and again. What about the adaptive immune system with the same trouble? So the same trouble comes, it will be sorted out in 10 hours. The same trouble come again, it will be sorted out once again in 10 hours. The same trouble will come again, it will be sorted out in 10 hours once again. In case of adaptive immune system, for the very first time when we came across the trouble, we had to learn about the bad things. We started learning about the bad things. We communicate the bad things to the right people, and then we create the responses, and that will going to take a lot of time. For example, 3 to 4 days, a lot of time. And the response, in case of innate immune system, the response will always be the same. The time consumed will always be the same. In case of adaptive immune system, the time consumed is very much for the very first time, and response is very poor, because it will take a lot of time, and it will take a lot of time and energy to produce an efficient response. But what about the second time? For the second exposure, this time the immune system already understands the trouble. It will not going to take a lot of unnecessary steps at that time, and the response will be bigger than the first one. In the next time, the time will not going to take a lot, because we already have everything already set up about that bad thing, and the response against that bad thing will be bigger, and then the bigger. That is why polio का एक कतरा या एक ड्रॉप, एक दवाई, एक वैक्सीनेशन के बाद हम एक सेकंड बूस्टर देते हैं. दूसरी वैक्सीनेशन में भी होता है. The booster dose is required. Why? Because we have give them a first exposure. The immune system try to create weapons against that bad thing and try to keep the memory. The first response will be poor or not good enough. When the person receives the same trouble once again, it will not going to take much time, and the response will be bigger. So the bigger the response, the bigger the weapons, bigger amount of weapons we are having in our body, as well as the memory cells. हम इसको बार-बार drops देते हैं 5 साल के अंदर, ताकि the boy or a girl, they develop enough response in their body based on adaptive immune system. So fighting against the one thing will take same amount of energy, will produce same response in case of innate immune system. But fighting against the same thing in case of adaptive immune system is going to take a lot of time for the very first time with a less response. But in the second and third exposure, it will not going to take enough time, and also the response will be very big. That means we are safe in easier terms against that bad thing. Or in molecular immunology words, we are immune against that pathogen. We want to achieve that status for SARS-CoV-2. आया, एक्सपोज किया, and we have developed the response. So हम इसके बारे में इम्यून हो जाए. वैक्सीनेशन ये काम कर सकती है, या फिर हमारा अपना इम्यून सिस्टम ये काम कर सकता है. इसी को बोलते हैं ना हर्ड इम्यूनिटी. We all got infected, we all developed the immunity. We will not be able to pass the things to the. And that's enough for today's